The Marvel series Loki plunges into the mind-bending concept of the multiverse. It's a place where countless alternate realities exist alongside our own. The show cleverly visualizes this by depicting branching timelines, each representing a different set of choices and outcomes. This idea of branching timelines echoes a fascinating concept in quantum mechanics known as the many worlds interpretation. Imagine every decision, every quantum event creates a split in reality. This leads to an unimaginable number of parallel universes, each slightly different from the others. Of course, Loki takes creative liberties with this concept. It portrays characters hopping between these realities with relative ease. In the real world of physics, such travel remains purely theoretical. Still, the show's depiction of a multiverse teeming with possibilities captures the imagination. It hints at a universe far stranger and more complex than we might ever have imagined. Loki doesn't stop at branching timelines. The MCU itself introduces us to an even grander idea, a multiverse composed of entirely separate universes. These universes, like bubbles in a cosmic foam, might have different physical laws and constants. This concept, while speculative, has roots in real scientific theories. Cosmologists, scientists who study the origin and evolution of the universe, grapple with the possibility of a multiverse. They explore ideas like eternal inflation, where our universe is just one bubble in a constantly expanding sea of other universes. Some theories even suggest that these universes could have vastly different properties. Imagine a universe where gravity is weaker, or where light travels at a different speed. Loki gives us a glimpse into this mind-boggling possibility. Time travel is a staple of science fiction, and Loki is no exception. The show throws around terms like temporal variances and time loops. While these terms might sound like pure fiction, they touch upon real concepts in physics. Einstein's theory of relativity, for example, tells us that time is not absolute. It can be stretched and compressed by gravity and motion. This means that time travel, while incredibly complex and still beyond our reach, isn't entirely out of the question. Loki plays with these ideas, showing us characters manipulating time and altering events. While the show's methods are fantastical, they highlight the intriguing nature of time and its potential role in the grand scheme of the multiverse. So in Loki, there's this fascinating concept introduced. The idea that information itself is, well, fundamental to reality. The show suggests that when you alter information, like changing events in a timeline, it can actually have some pretty profound consequences on the fabric of existence. Now, this idea is definitely speculative, but it does have some intriguing parallels in modern physics. For instance, the holographic principle proposes that all the information about a region of space is actually encoded on its boundary, kind of like a three-dimensional hologram being projected from a two-dimensional surface. While Loki doesn't really get into the mathematical complexities of these theories, it definitely hints at the profound implications of information as a fundamental building block of reality. Loki, just like all great science fiction, weaves this captivating tapestry of imagination and scientific inspiration. It's important to keep in mind that the show takes some creative liberties with these pretty complex scientific concepts. Things like time travel, multiverse hopping, and manipulating the fabric of reality. They're still firmly in the realm of fiction. However, the show's exploration of these ideas really reflects humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown. From the tiniest particles all the way to the vastness of the cosmos, scientists are still grappling with questions about the nature of reality, time, and the possibility of other universes. Loki kind of serves as a reminder that even in fiction, the pursuit of knowledge and exploring the unknown can be both thrilling and thought-provoking. It really encourages us to, embrace the wonders of the universe, both real